Hey everybody, welcome back to Ask Bob, where we answer your questions about the car industry and Bob Hook Chevrolet. This week's question is from Susie in Middletown. And Susie asks, Bob, I noticed that you're doing pickup and delivery for customer vehicles during quarantine and shelter at home. Are you still doing that? And what other changes have you made to be safe and clean during all this COVID-19 mess? We've definitely had to get used to some new changes. We're all wearing our masks now. We've got plexiglass screens at all of our desks. We've found ways to distance within the showroom and our service department. And our number one goal is to provide for your safety and also keep your car clean when we're in and out of it, and just have a safe environment for our customers. So the first part of your question, yes, we are absolutely doing pickup and delivery for those folks who have requested it. We've got several appointments available every day where we can pick up your car at your home or office, bring it in for service, and drop it back off to you. So you can even leave your keys in your car just before we get there. We will text message or call with updates on your vehicle as we're working on it. And you'll also get a payment link straight to your phone with a copy of your invoice so that you can pay your bill online. So we can create from start to finish a truly no contact experience. When your car comes here, we spray it down, we use a steering wheel cover, we make sure before and after our technician is in your vehicle that we're keeping it clean for you. In our sales department, when you make an appointment to come see a certain vehicle, we'll have it pulled up in advance, wiped down in one of our designated test drive spots. We'll greet you when you get here, and you'll get to take a test drive by yourself. If you have any questions about the features and benefits on the car, we'll roll the window down and we'll explain some of those different features from right outside the car. We've really made some changes like all businesses have, and we want to give you the confidence that you're really coming to a clean environment here, or that your car is. I hope that answers your question, Susie. For those online appointments for service and sales, you can go to bobhook.com, and we look forward to seeing you here soon. Thanks.